Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
की हाल भाजी सत श्रीकाल मालको सब ठीक ठाक हाँ जी गुड इवनिंग जी व्हाट्स हैपनिंग हाउ आर यू ऑल यार I think this is definitely going to be one of the most prestigious and the most respected award functions. I think we genuinely needed something like this because in the past couple of years I think we've made some really good cinema. The craft of filmmaking has had a paradigm shift. So you really needed an award function which, you know, genuinely brings all the good filmmakers together. So really expecting a lot from this award function.
तो आपकी नज़रों में क्रिटिक्स कितने इम्पोर्टेंट बिकॉज अभी विजय वर्मा हुआ है उन्होंने कहा कि जब कोई नहीं जानता मुझे तो मुझे क्रिटिक्स जानते हैं तो एक ऐसा एक है एक मतलब पावरफुल नज़र तो व्हाट डू यू वांट
That's a very sweet thing which Vijay Varma has said, and it's very practical as well because I think we all come from the same not only school of thought but also I think school of acting for that matter. Even when Vijay is my senior from theatre, but having said that, I really want to say that another reason that these awards and these people are important because number one, see, every profession has certain kind of credibility attached to it, and you always need to have whatever you're doing, be it acting or be it direction or be it music direction, you need to have some process to understand that you're going right or you're going wrong. So these are the people who are guiding all of us through, and the kind of people attached to this award function are definitely one of the best in the business, are definitely the most respected ones, and are definitely the most experienced ones. Yeah. Sir, कैसे हैं आप? क्या बात है? किसके लिए? यार, I think it has been a really good year, and I mean, I really want to thank all the friends around who always wish the best. Of course, our parents who have definitely prayed a lot for these days, and I hope these days continue because of course somebody will come and go, somebody will it'll be somebody's year this year, somebody else's year next year. So I hope this phase continues in a good way, and yeah, that's it.
आप अपने पारिवारिक जिम्मेदारियां भी कितनी बखूबी निभाते हैं हमने देखे कई अच्छे चित्र आते हैं आप अपने भाभी के साथ कितना मतलब आपके मतलब
यार I think I've always been a people's person. I've always been a person who has always had friends and family always going by the side, and especially because I was a radio jockey, so I was always with my people all the time. And वहाँ पे because of the kind of profession I was into, radio for 8 years, you need to find a connect with someone जिसको आपने कभी देखा भी नहीं है ज़िंदगी में. उनके साथ आपको रोज़ एक कनेक्ट बनाना पड़ता है. तो जिनके साथ मैं रोज़ घूमता हूँ उनके साथ तो खतरनाक कनेक्ट है ही है. टच वुड. या बिल्कुल बढ़िया है. टच वुड. I mean yeah. No. I mean, touch wood, things have been really fine now, and she's also started going to the gym now. So I think touch wood, physically she's feeling fit, and mentally she was always so strong. यार ये जो बातें आप लेकर आते हो ना हंस की तरह, यही सब तो बातें सुनने के लिए आते हैं लोग यहाँ ना. So yeah, I think I'll again say that scripts, I don't want to take credit away from the writers and the directors who have made those films, चाहे वो आयुष भैया के लिए हो, चाहे मेरे लिए हो, किसी भी एक्टर के लिए हो. So I think these scripts just choose the actors. Actors don't really choose the scripts, and I mean you just have to be at the right place at the right time, God willing.
Okay, पाजी आपने वो स्क्रिप्ट की बात की तो what are the script that you have chosen या script that chose you?
यार okay, so next one is a film called Kanpur. I'm really excited about that film and really proud of the film because after a really long time I read the script in one go. Normally कुछ ना कुछ आ जाता है तो आप कभी कुछ टीवी पे देख रहे हैं, नेटफ्लिक्स पे देख रहे हैं, चाय पी रहे हैं, कोई दोस्त का फ़ोन आ गया, कुछ हो गया, तो आप कई बार बीच में रुक जाते हैं 10-15 मिनट के लिए. This is a script which I read totally in at one go, and I really enjoyed it. Really enjoyed shooting for it, and most likely September, October we'll release it. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you.